Welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 169. This was the 15th of February 2023, Wednesday. Did exercise 45 minutes on the treadmill with a 6-minute jog. Worked on books most of the day. Worked on a little bit of the solar business and did a little bit of Remote Wellness Academy. And also was studying for some insurance. I was working on some insurance issues. So that is basically it. My gratitude for the day goes out to the people who are working at the schools. I picked up my daughter from school today. She was feeling ill. So appreciate the front office people, appreciate the teachers, appreciate and grateful for the janitors and everybody who makes that whole system work. And it's a complex system. There's coaches and there's counselors and all kinds of people, and grateful for these people. They have it good in the sense that they work like 5 days a week, and a lot of times they don't have to work on holidays and during the summer. But it's also, they often choose lower pay. I know I'm the son of a teacher, so it can be pretty tough. Even though you get that extra time off, you're not paid like other occupations. And teaching is perhaps the most important occupation there is, because you are helping the next generation of people who are going to be the ones taking care of us, and problem solvers and innovators and people who protect and defend and support our country. And all can only happen if there are people willing to be teachers, willing to do that. It's often a thankless job, and it's a very difficult job, and it's a very demanding job. But I can understand it's also a very rewarding job, and they do deserve that time off. After you spend time with a whole bunch of kids all day, you definitely deserve time off. So grateful for all the people who are willing to do that. I'm not one of those people, but I'm grateful for those who do. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, like, comment, subscribe. I will talk to you tomorrow. Thank you.